welcome or welcome back to my channel Lifestyle by Shudeshnas. For those who don't know me, I am Shudeshna and I make lifestyle related videos for better living. Today we are going to the Kolkata's hottest attraction, the newly opened Aircraft Museum in the city. Come along with us and enjoy the video. The Aircraft Museum is now a landmark among Kolkata's tourist hotspot. It offers great recreation opportunity for the families living in and around Kolkata. If you are thrilled with the action sequence between the fighter jets in the Hollywood movies, this place will surely excite you. Initially, it was expected to open for public around the mid of 2020, but this project was delayed due to pandemic and subsequent lockdowns. Finally, Chief Minister Srimati Mamata Banerjee inaugurated the museum on 9th of June 2022. Adding a new feather to its cap, Kolkata now hosts the second Naval Aircraft Museum of India after Visakhapatnam. Naval Aircraft Museum of Kolkata is built at Newtown near the Visakhapatnam Gate, which is spread over 2 acres land beside the Newtown police station. The another landmark of this museum is Tata Cancer Hospital, which is just opposite to this museum. The Naval Aircraft Museum is a military aviation museum located in Newtown, Kolkata. It is built by the Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority and exhibiting a Tupolev Tu-142 of Indian Navy. The experience of entering a fighter aircraft and watching the interiors firsthand is an incredible one. Visitors are allowed to board the aircraft and walk right to the cockpit. The entry fee is free for students who are holding a valid student I-card. General public need to purchase a ticket for ₹30 only. Developed by KMDA and owned by HIDCO, this museum was set up at an estimated cost of around 10 to 11 crores. The museum remains open from 2:30 pm to 8:30 pm on weekdays and from 12 noon to 8:30 pm on weekends. It remained closed on Mondays for maintenance. Along with this big size aircraft, HIDCO has built a park for children, games arena, landscape zones and ticketing booths along with refreshment counters in this aircraft museum. There is a kids playing zone with activities that are modeled on the training program of military persons. A decommissioned 29-year-old Tupolev Tu-142 of Indian Navy was handed over to Government of West Bengal in February 2020 for setting up an aircraft museum. The aircraft was bought from INS Rajali, Tamil Nadu in pieces on 16 trucks. Other exhibits for the interior and the surroundings like mannequin, pilot, bomb, machinery, etc. were developed by the Navy. Transportation and installation costs are being borne by the state government. Reassembling process of the aircraft was started by KMDA in March 2020. The Tupolev Tu-142M Maritime Reconnaissance aircraft was designed by the Tupolev Design Bureau. The aircraft with 4 engines and 8 propellers was developed to provide improved naval combat capabilities. The aircraft had been in service with the Indian Navy for 30 years since 1988 to 2017, after which it was decommissioned. The aircraft, nicknamed the Bear, was the heaviest and the longest turbopropeller ever made in the world, which was used for anti-submarine warfare operations of the Indian Navy for close to 3 decades. Apart from the aircraft on display, there is a small children park and a coffee shop inside the aircraft museum area. This place is so kids friendly that my 6-year-old son Ananjit has enjoyed his fullest here along with the other kids. Here in my video you can see the glimpse of kids playing in and around the aircraft museum. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Lifestyle by Sudeshnas and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded.